Greetings in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, one true God. I am so happy and delighted to know our East Asia OCYM MGOCSM regional committee is organizing one regional camp, Asia Pacific regional camp, on 2024 April 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am so delighted to know everybody is ready to participate for this camp. I am taking this time and opportunity to wish and greet all the participants, all the organizing committee members, leaders, resource persons, well-wishers, and all those who are directly and indirectly involved with this meeting. It's my privilege and honor to congratulate all of you for your conviction, dedication, and enthusiasm towards the OCYM and MGOCSM, and to the church, and to the diocese, and to the Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church as a whole. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Hope this camp will be a memorable and successful event. My prayers always be with you. May God bless you. Thank you.